It is time to take action. That's what he kept telling me over and over and over again. Who? Him. Him. My younger self. He knows I have potential. He knows that we can do so much. But procrastination, being stuck in a loop, taking a little bit of action, seeing not a lot of results, feeling demotivated, stopping. Then you say, I had enough, you start again, then you fail again, and the cycle repeats over and over and over again. But he knows that I can do it if I just keep going. And I bet that your younger self knows the same thing too. We have one task in life, and that's to not let them down.